Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends onto your account on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, click on login underneath the search box and then use your account credentials to log into your account. Now once you have logged in, you will be taken into the main menu, from which if you wish to add any friends onto your account, you can click on the friends icon at the top right corner, which will open up the friends menu. Now if you wish to add any friends within your account, then you can simply enter their email address, their account name or their username within the search box. You also have the option to use a friend link in order to share your link with an individual, and once they click on this link and sign up to the game, they will automatically be added as your friend. You can also use your Facebook account by clicking on Find Facebook Friends. You can then log into your Facebook account and then find which of your Facebook friends are playing the chess game and then add them as your friend right away. You also have the option to send an email invite and the option to create a challenge link. Just type the name of the friend that you wish to add onto your account and then you will find the Add Friend button. Go ahead and click on this and this will send your friend request to the user that you just selected. Now once the user accepts your friend request, you will be added as friends with this user on the chess.com game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends onto your account on chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.